Hi, I'm Lawrence. I have been engaged in the development of inkjet media at Colorway for 20 years. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a range of RC photo papers. We offer a variety of types, including glossy, rough satin, and fine satin and wood. At Colorway, we take pride in our professional production process. As state-of-the-art machinery ensures the fastest delivery time and highest quality standards for every batch of photo paper we produce. Our photo paper is renowned for its exceptional quality and holds multiple certifications. RC photo papers are perfect for professional photography, high-quality prints, and art reproductions. The vivid colors and sharp details make every print come to life, ensuring your photos look stunning. Where can you choose Colorway's RC photo paper for your next project and experience? Colorway's high quality of RC photo paper